guys, and welcome to Simplekidscrafts.com. My name is Merve, and on today's video I'll share with you over 1,000 handmade or store-bought beauty supply items that I have accumulated during the past 3 years. As always, I'll be putting more information on the description box down below for each video in which I made these items. First, we have real working miniature makeup items. We have lipstick, brushes, a mirror, eyeshadow, blush, bronzer, powder, foundation, concealer, makeup remover, cotton balls, and mascara. And all of these items really work and are 100% real. Next, we have real working lipstick and mascara, and these are for my American Girl dolls. I also have this set of store-bought makeup kits that came with either my Barbies, Bratz, or other dolls. This includes eyeshadows, blushes, and compacts. And these are some of the eyeshadow palettes that I have made using foam. I use printables, aluminum foil, metallic paper, and real mirrors. Again, if you want to make any of these, I'll be leaving you more information on the description box down below. Here we have some of my favorite bath and spa accessories. They include essential oils, soap, bath bombs, salts, body cream, bath gels, candles, essence sticks, Q-tips, and you guys, the best part is that all of them are 100% real and they really work. The next set is something that I made a few weeks ago. This is a nail art set, and it includes nail polish, UV gel, nail oil, fake nails, file, nail polish remover, and they're 100% real and really work. I made these cute makeup sponges for my Barbie dolls and also different scales. And now my favorite, my hair salon supplies. And I made everything that you need for a real hair salon. I made hair rollers, bobby pins, shampoo, conditioner, hair serum, brushes, combs, and I also made a realistic curler, straightener, and a blow dryer. The cool part about all of this is that the brushes and the comb really work and can be used with the doll. I also have combs and brushes that came with my dolls, but nothing beats handmade stuff. I also make this set that has 100% real shampoo, mouthwash, cream, toothpaste, paper towel, and toilet paper. And again, all of it works and it's 100% real. These tiny bottles of perfumes and creams also came with my dolls. You probably have some of them at home, so let me know on the comments down below if you have any of these. I made these blushes and mineral powders for my American Girl doll, and also this mascara using beads and pipe cleaners. I also made small creams, hand soaps, perfume, and nail polishes using small beads. And of course, I made tons and tons of mini hair accessories, mostly store-bought and then altered, but you can also make them at home. I also have mini lip balms that I made using clay, and a shampoo bottle, cream, and other bath items that I made using foam and paper. I also made creams, shampoos, and perfumes, and even a hand sanitizer using straws, foam, a USB cable, and eyedroppers. And finally, we have a mix of salon tools and brushes which came with my dolls, except for one of the brushes which I made myself. And well, you guys, these are all the cosmetic products that I have made for my dolls, and I wanted to share them with you in this video, which I guess was short and sweet, so that you guys can get inspired and try to make these at home.